nice thing about this design is I can put two on the
This is a vertical antenna, 80 foot tall, goes way up in the tree.
Oh, okay.
And we're setting up the ground plane now. You have to have radials on a vertical antenna. Give it something to push against. Here's the radials. They go out in all different directions. And over there is the Aliner. That's our field expedient ham shack. Portable. I think Denny's in there working right now. So we've got our antenna here. Goes up over there. Way up in that tree over there. If you look up there, you can see our Lazy H. That's 2 extended double Zeps on 17 meter, full wave on 20 meter. And then we're using a tuner. I don't know if you can make that out. I'll swing back over here. Here's the pavilion where everybody's parked. Ham shack with a little mud, a lot of rain. We're going to be running off generator power. That generator's over there. You want some distance so it doesn't have some interference, and you also don't want the noise.
Yeah, you might. Depends how you do it. Let's try it.
Okay, let's try.
Let's give it a try. Here, let me take you.
There's the one rig.
Here.